What's up guys? Today is going to be the first day of my 40-day vlogging challenge. I just kind of want to vlog for 40 days. Today we have an oil change planned for this car. So I'm at Walmart right now and I'm going to pick up some 5W30. And yeah, let's kick off this vlog. Alright guys, so I got the car on the ramps, doing the oil change. I got the chucks in the back. So yeah, we're going to start getting this oil out of here. Alright, so this is gonna be my first oil change, but from the videos I've seen, you're gonna want to open the cap and then you're gonna want to put it just laying on top. Now everything is really hot, so I'm probably gonna burn myself, but put that under here. I got a flashlight just in case, and 14mm ratchet, and then we got the oil. So let's get started. Right, so oil pan is right here, and then here's our filter. So, I might want to let this cool a little bit. That is going to be some hot oil coming down. So, I just cracked it loose. Let me grab these paper towels. Actually, get a couple. Ooh, it's smoking. Woo! Let me wipe this up a little bit. That is some dark oil. I'm happy I'm changing that now. Let me clean this off a little bit. Man, look at that oil coming out. I am overdue. So, we're gonna let that ooze out of there for a while. Woo! Yeah, I don't know where the cover is for this pan. So yeah, I'm gonna let this drain and I'll be right back. Now that it's drained a little bit, I got some oil splatter on my GoPro here. I'll have to clean that up. But yeah, let me wipe some of this up. Where'd my boat go? There she is. I'm gonna just put this. Oh shoot! Screw this back on. We're gonna clean this up a little bit. Whew. Do I have an oil leak? Uh-oh. Where's this dripping from? I just saw it drip. Alright, well, let's tighten her up. Clean her up again. Alright, then we should all be good. And then there's my filter. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna try to see if I can find that oil leak. Oh man, I finally got her off. This sucker was stuck on there so hard. I couldn't get it off for the life of me. I ended up putting some duct tape around it so I could get a bigger or a better grip on it. I just twisted it with both hands as hard as I could and finally got it off. So that was the hard part. Let's just make sure these are the same ones, eh? Give me 1 second. Whew. Alright, so I got a Fromm, so I decided to get one. They're pretty cheap. I think it was like a couple, like $4 or something. Except this one looks different. $4967. All right, this is a 4967, so we're okay. Because this says right here, from PH 4967. So, oops, I just spilled oil. I'll clean that up. And PH 4967. So, now that that's done, get this out of here. We're gonna try to pull this without spilling any. Look how dark that oil is, man. And get some of our new stuff. And we are gonna try to pour some into there. Try to pour a little bit in here. And we're going to take our finger, get some along the gasket. Jeez. And now, let's try to clean this the best we can. Man, that is nasty. I'm spilling some. The filter. I made a mess. Alright, that's as good as we're gonna get. Clean up the oil on the ground. And boom, I should get some more rivets for that. I don't have a rivet gun, but we're gonna tighten this by hand. All right, now finally we can go up here and fill this sucker in. Give me 1 second. Now we're gonna put this aside and we're gonna put the funnel in there. And I think right now I'm gonna go to 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't want to pour it. And then put this back on. I had the WD-40 to try to loosen it up. Didn't really do anything. Give me a sec. All right, so I just finished the oil change. I just drove it around the block. But yeah, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep vlogging today. This took about an hour because I couldn't get that oil filter off. But yeah, everything's pretty much clean on it. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. What's up guys, I just finished my workout. That oil change took up a lot of time, and I kind of fell asleep before this, so I don't know what to vlog about next. So I'll probably finish it out in the morning, and then I'll get this uploaded after school, and then I'll start another vlog tomorrow, and then I'll try to finish that. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow morning. Peace out. A really brown frozen banana. Protein powder. Blend.
So I can fuck the world for 72 hours. Goddamn, I feel amazing. Damn, I'm in the matrix. My mind is living on cloud 9, and this 9 is never on vacation. Start up that Maserati and zoom, zoom, I'm racing. Popping pills in the lobby, and I pray they don't find her naked. And I pray you niggas is agent. Shooters go after Judas. Jesus Christ, if I live life with my